Can flex tape stop a watermelon from 45 metres? 3, 2, 1.
Watermelon drop challenge.
Yeah, I got it.
Didn't survive.
Round 2, bowling ball.
Oh, we're down. Are we on? Oh!
Round 3, glass ball.
Well, glassy. I'm still Jenny from the block. Bang! Have a bit of a dent.
Round 4, giant ice block.
Oh!
Round 5, giant rubber band ball.
Oh! Prices. Oh!
And this is anvil versus flex tape.
Please comment
Oh!
Surely flex tape can't stop this.
Heck! Big! Oh!